Hi guys, Happy New Year. Hope you had an amazing end of the year and an amazing, enter of this 2023. This is the final illustration that I did for today warm-up. I think it looks great and it looks like very similar to the, to the reference. So I'm happy with the results, and now I'm going to start working on this week YouTube video.
Y que puede ser, se está investigando, se hablaba que podía ser alguna persona. Ayer porque
Hi guys, it's been a few days later. I'm editing the vlog and I just realized I didn't say goodbye, so thank you so much for watching the video, and also thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. By the way, we are 6,000 people here, 1,000, so thank you so much guys for following me on my channel. This way, by following and liking the videos and the content, you are supporting me, so it didn't cost anything to you, and for me it's like a huge difference. And I wanted to say thank you to all of you, and I will say it in another video, but probably I will do a live stream drawing something to celebrate this this goal. And also thank you to my patrons, because they are letting me the time, and they are supporting me also to keep running the channel. And thank you so much guys, because I couldn't do this without you. And say that guys, thank you so much for watching, and see us again on next week video. Bye 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 bye.